In today's video, I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. If you're interested in seeing what I did for this collaboration, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump right into this video. For those of you who don't remember, I made a mesh wreath last year, and I used all Dollar Tree items. Now what I plan on doing is, here's a little clip of me starting on that mesh wreath. And I will also link in the iCards the whole video for the wreath from last year. Now what I'm doing this year is taking that mesh wreath that I made from last year and I'm going to repurpose it for this year. So I hope you go along with me as I repurpose my wreath from last year. Now I'm going to show you how the finished look from last year. And then we'll start with the new one. Now this video is in joint with a collaboration, and the collaboration title is the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge, and it is hosted by Christina of the DIY Mommy. Now if you're not familiar with her channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist when it's available down below in the description. And these are the items I'm going to be using. My blue snowman. This ribbon I've had for 1800 years. I do not remember where I purchased this ribbon at, but it's been in my bin. I've used it for years. And then, of course, the mesh wreath that I used last year. Doing some fluffing on it because it was in storage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach my snowman and his body parts to my wreath. Hopefully it'll come out looking something like that. Hopefully. So, let me take his legs and the other hand out. Let's see. Now, the first thing I'm going to attach will be his head. If I can get his head in the right place, I think I can get the body in the right place. So I think his head will go right here. Okay, he has wires here, here in 3 places. See, wire here, and wire here. So let me look at the picture. I think my wreath is a little smaller than that one, but I'm going to make it work. Let's see how we can do this.
Sometimes it's distant, but never
Now here is my finished snowman. I think he turned out rather cute. Let me know what you think down below of my blue snowman wreath. I welcome your comments. And if you know me, you'll know that I love snowmans with blue hats. And this I am loving. I found this snowman on Amazon if you're interested. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen, and you be blessed.